Hello everyone. So today I'm going to show you a new ChatGPT that creates logo designs, stickers, t-shirt. It will give you 5 different prompts which you can use in different platforms and generate images. So let's go and try this. I want to create a t-shirt, so I will just click create a t-shirt. And it asked me to add some text. I will add happy today. Modern font and character will be raccoon. That's it. So let's see what it comes out. Okay, it will start creating the prompts, the final prompts. And yes, okay, it's asking me to create the first image. Now, this is nice for t-shirt. So let's do the second one. Next image. Oh, interesting. So this is kind of a logo design, but interesting. So let's say now I want to create this one I like, and but I don't want raccoon. I want like maybe bear. So what I will do, I will just copy this. I will put here, and please replace raccoon with a bear. And when I copy seed ID and gen ID, it will just go and do it. Just will replace. I'm sure it will replace. Yeah. So this is the bear. I don't want to put it in the middle of the face, but yeah. So it's kind of trying to do the same type of design. Now I want a penguin instead of a bear. So they are interesting. So it comes out, and you can do this like generating more and more, because every time it will give you something different, because it's like 5 options. But if you start a new chart and do another one, it will give you different. Also remember that you can copy these prompts, like for example, copy this, or go here and these final prompts, or these ones which are like more. Let's see, I will copy this and put here, and you will see it will give totally different design. Yeah, so with one click you get a lot of different design styles. So this is for t-shirt design. It can be for logo design also, but I think this is nice also. So let's go and create one more with the. I will do new chart and try to create a sticker. So we will keep the raccoon, as I just copied it. Now I put here raccoon. I will just put happy raccoon, and let's see what it comes out. Again, it generates all the prompts. This will save you a ton of time. If you want to generate series of stickers or series of the same collection, then you just get it very easy to do. So let's say this is okay. So yes, okay, it wants to generate the first image. I would say yes. Now if I said, again, you can see, so now I will go and say, replace raccoon with fox. And again, I give the same seed ID and then gen ID. Yeah, so this way you can generate a lot of different animals or whatever you want for your stickers. And of course, you can change the prompts, edit the prompts. And also, as I said, you can go and copy this and paste in Microsoft Designer or ideogram, and it will work. Even in Midjourney, you can use it, just fixing a little bit the prompt. It will generate you very nice images. So let me try the last one, which is the logo design. Let's say, it's just company name. Okay, I will put it Duno Raccoon as a character. Then I would just put I would put sports as a color will be like grayscale. And the font, again, I will put like modern. So let's see what it comes out with this. Okay, here are the final calls, and it will ask me yes. So let's create one. As you know, you can edit the size of the image, like make it like vertical or horizontal. And you can do a lot of more with this ChatGPT. Perfect. You see, it's just Lionel logo. Let's say generate next logo. And you can do more with this. So remember that I build a lot of different ChatGPTs, which I have video tutorials about how to use it. Now you see it's generating nice logos for you. Of course, the text is not good, so I'm sure you can update this in Photoshop, but the images are coming out perfect. So let's say, again, I would keep the same style. I would just copy here, and I would say, please replace the raccoon with a camel. I don't know. So let's see. So it's difficult to draw. So let's see what it comes out with the camel. Okay, perfect. So you see, I mean, I believe you can even sell this, on Fiverr. You can use this ChatGPT and create this kind of logos in a second and make money, like provide for your customers. Just you remember to fix the text. And this is all for today. Bye-bye.